Okay, I finished attaching the bulkhead and the barb to the bottom of the rim barrel. You can see from the inside. There's four each drainage hole for each corner. And then I use this pail, very tall one, drill hole to the bottom, to the side. Just make the make sure I know right which level the water outside of the tank will be, so this way I can use it to see the water level, and I can even have a pump in there, right, to control the water level. So this way I can control the coupling between the the rocks, the gravel and the water. So this is it. Very simple setup. I didn't get the right hose for the barb, so tomorrow I'm gonna buy the hose. 5 feet up there, so total of 20 feet, 3/4 hose, and then that's it. I finish everything. This time, because I use the bulkhead, so I'm sure it's pretty tight. I'll probably test the whether there's leakage after I got the hose, and put the hose on and clamp it, and then I'll test the leakage. And then after the test, and then I can just backfill with gravel and then finish everything. Yeah, this is it.